My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Mlwq. This is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware Mlwq is absolutely dangerous and aggressive. By the way, I found this sample on the VirusTotal database. So I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So after users restart their systems, they basically notice that something bad has taken place with their files and they are not able to access their data anymore. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and appends the Mlwq extension to the file names. So it's not possible to use the files anymore because of this ransomware. The ransomware tells the victims that the users need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and as soon as it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then the scanning will begin. Please pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt the files. The anti-ransomware feature only removes the ransomware and helps to protect the data. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium, and this way your data will always be protected. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to protect your data.